Hi guys, we are here at the newly opened Costco. It's Children's Day today and the class request beef for our meal. We didn't go for the most expensive one, just something good and budget friendly. Nganong dukdukon yun? There were so many meat options. Some were a bit pricey, but we found a nice cut that looked fresh and just right for our budget. Kini nga beef ang gipalit. Simple, nothing fancy, but I know the kids will enjoy it. Mm. Paborito kay ni nako guys. Simple meal, happy hearts, happy Children's Day. Thank you.